Hi all, welcome to the channel. This is the second video in our lecture series for those focusing on the LEED Green Associate exam as well as those who want to learn more about the sustainable practices. We will cover all these sections in detail. Let's begin the video. In this video, we will be covering triple bottom line and green building design principle. Let's move on to the next slide. Social, environmental, and economic benefits of green building are also known as triple bottom line, and it's shortened as TBL. Green building evaluation is based on their impacts on people, that is social benefits, and on planet, it will be the environmental benefits, and for profit, it is economical benefits. LEED certified project achieve these three goals of sustainability and is how we define a green building. Now let's discuss on the social, environmental and economical benefits of green building. First comes the social benefits. It includes improved indoor environmental quality, healthier environment and no additional burden on the local infrastructure. And for the environmental benefit, it includes the safeguard of wildlife, absence of air and water pollution, and also no extra waste production, and finally, the prevention of natural resource depletion. So for the economic benefit, it includes minimizing the operational and maintenance cost, higher property value, and enhances the employee productivity and lowers the life cycle cost. Now let's move on to the green building design principle. First, we will see what LCA is. So basically, LCA is life cycle assessment. It analyzes the environmental impact of a service, material, or product to its indoor life cycle, and it evaluates the material life cycle with respect to energy, emissions, and waste. In traditional building practices, it have a narrow perspective that only considers the initial construction cost, but in sustainable practices, it uses life cycle assessments to achieve and measure sustainability. Is life cycle cost, also shortened as LCC. It is basically the assessment of building cost from cradle to grave. The cradle to grave, which is one of the three main life cycle models used in LCA. This term describes the life journey of the product in our linear economy, which means the product is produced, transported, used, and become waste at the end of its life. So this LCC, it considered all factors from the initial cost, productivity to the potential building reuse after the demolition. In a sustainable building, it aspires to turn the term cradle to grave to cradle as a closed loop as opposed to the destructive open loop which produces waste. This concludes today's lecture. Tomorrow we will delve into the topic of the LEED process. If you found today's lecture helpful, please support our channel for more videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and feel free to pass this information along to anyone who may benefit. Thank you once again and have a great day.